CES offers an annual glimpse into the automotive future. This year, one technology eclipsed all others. So, how are carmakers integrating artificial intelligence? This is the Automotive Update, presented by AutoVista24. Hello and welcome back to the Automotive Update. I'm Tom Geggus, the editor of AutoVista24, here with the latest edition of the Automotive Update. We are kicking off our first podcast of 2026 with a special look at this year's CES. Now, arguably the biggest talking point of the whole show so far has been artificial intelligence. Yes, AI now features in almost every new technology, including cars. One of the biggest giants in the rapidly evolving space is Nvidia, which detailed several big automotive collaborations. The new Mercedes-Benz CLA features the AI-powered MB.OS, or Mercedes-Benz Operating System. This advanced driver assistance technology is powered by Nvidia's full-stack drive AV software, AI infrastructure, and compute power. But what does all of that actually mean? Well, it could allow over-the-air updates, including upgrades to the MB Drive Assistance technology. MB Drive Assist Pro looks to provide advanced SAE Level 2 capabilities in complex urban settings. Ali Khani, Vice President of Automotive at Nvidia, said, "As the automotive industry embraces physical AI, Nvidia is the intelligence backbone that makes every vehicle programmable, updatable, and perpetually improving through data and software. Starting with Mercedes-Benz and its incredible new CLA, we're celebrating a stunning achievement in safety, design, engineering, and AI-powered driving that will turn every car into a living, learning machine." Mercedes-Benz also confirmed that its new electric GLC will utilize MB.OS. Its infotainment system will integrate AI from Microsoft and Google as well. The model is set to arrive in the US in the second half of this year. Nvidia also confirmed it is working on a group of open-sourced AI models called Alpha Mayo Family, designed to accelerate autonomous vehicles. Now, these tools could help tackle so-called long-tail issues, which are rare and complex by their very nature. This means that models will be able to reason about cause and effect outside of their training. Additionally, Nvidia announced that its Drive Hyperion ecosystem will expand to include more automotive companies as it looks to advance Level 4 and full self-driving technology. New partners look to include Bosch, Heisei, Magna, and Sony. Now, speaking of Sony, its joint venture with Honda, aptly named Sony Honda Mobility, brought a new vehicle to CES. The Afeela Prototype 2026 has more of an SUV profile than its predecessor, the Afeela 1, looking to offer more room and accessibility. A production model based on the prototype could launch in the US in 2028. The Afeela 1 has been available for reservations in California since January 2025. Delivery hubs look set to be up and running this spring in the US. Sales will then expand to Arizona in 2027, with Japan due to see deliveries in the first half of that year. Sony Honda Mobility also laid out the Afeela Personal Agent, an interactive conversational AI. It will use Microsoft Azure OpenAI to provide personalized dialogue. Elsewhere, BMW gave a demo of its AI-powered personal assistant. Using Amazon Alexa Plus technology, the assistant was presented within the newer Classe debut model, the BMW iX3. The assistant can control in-vehicle operations, as well as answering questions on topics outside of the vehicle. Users can even ask the large language model multiple questions in the same sentence across a range of topics. This technology will be gradually rolled out in Germany and the US in the second half of 2026. It will reach models equipped with BMW operating systems 9 and 10. Ford announced it will roll out its own intelligent assistant. However, this technology will be hitting users' phones before it reaches their cars. The Ford and Lincoln apps will support the assistant beginning in the first half of this year. The carmaker said it is doing this to reach millions of customers faster, up to 8 million customers in fact. The Ford AI assistant promises to be capable of providing contextually useful information. So a user could take a photo of a pallet of supplies and have the assistant tell them exactly how much of it could fit into their vehicle. This technology looks set to arrive in Ford and Lincoln vehicles by 2027. Geely brought its full domain AI 2.0 to CES 2026, a unified vehicle-wide architecture. This means the car utilises a central intelligence engine capable of operating with all vehicle functions, meaning intelligence across cockpit, chassis, safety, and driving functions. The autonomous driving system, Geely Afari Smart Driving, or GASD, also uses AI, large-scale, real-world driving data, high-performance sensors, and hardware for confident and safe driving. Jerry Gan, the CEO of Geely Auto Group, said, "AI is reshaping the automotive industry in many ways, from powertrains and components to a systemic reconstruction of mobility ecosystems and lifestyles." Lucid teamed up with Uber and physical AI company Neuro to announce that they plan to produce vehicles for a global robo-taxi service. The trio also confirmed that autonomous on-road testing began last month, ahead of the expected launch in the San Francisco Bay Area later this year. Car makers and technology companies were not the only ones showing off AI at CES 2026. Suppliers were also playing a big part. Bosch showed off its all-in-one, personalised, AI-based cockpit. This enables lifelike communication with a large language model and a visual language model capable of interpreting what is happening inside and outside the vehicle. This means the system could automatically search for a parking space or create minutes from online meetings. Qualcomm confirmed it is working with ZF to deliver scalable, advanced driver assistance system solutions which combine AI compute and perception capabilities. Leapmotor's D19 flagship will also use Qualcomm's Snapdragon Elite automotive platform, which brings together cockpit, driver assistance, body control, and connectivity into one system. The supplier is also going to expand its collaboration with Google to develop software-defined vehicles while accelerating in-vehicle agentic AI technology. Patrick Brady, Vice President of Engineering at Google, said, "As the automotive industry rapidly evolves into an AI-powered software-defined future, our continued collaboration is more critical than ever." LG revealed how it thought AI could reshape the entire cabin of a vehicle. Its mobility display solution turns the windshield into an intelligent interface. Its automotive vision solution can enhance safety and deliver context-aware information via Vision AI, and the in-vehicle entertainment solution provides personalized content recommendations, memory-based media, and real-time translation. Now, if you would like to check out photos and videos from this year's event, just head over to Autovista 24 for the companion article to this podcast. And what are your thoughts on this year's show? If you're listening to us on Spotify, just leave a comment. Alternatively, reach out to us on LinkedIn. If you'd like to get our insights directly into your inbox, then sign up for our email. There's a form at the bottom of our homepage. Check out our YouTube channel as well. There you'll find our What Is Explainer videos, launch report insights, and webinar recordings. Our next live webinar will take place on the 21st of January and will outline our residual value expectations. And of course, subscribe to the Autovista 24 podcast wherever you listen to us. A big thank you to Autovista 24 web editor James Roberts for co-producing this episode. The music was Better Find a Solution Fast by Richard Ames. Thank you very much for listening to the Autovista 24 podcast.